Welcome back to Broke ASS EDC. Look at there, little Kizer exists. Nitro-V, Micarta, tread pattern. See if we can find some old specs on this. Old Nick Serrano brought this together with this drop point. 2.78 inches of Nitro-V flat ground with a little coating on it. Handle length 4 inches dead on. Micarta with a reversible pocket clip. Clutch lock. Bearings. Overall 6.79 inches when you hit it with the ruler. And coming in at 2.84 ounces. Nice little carry, Steel liners on the Micarta. They got some milling in there. Reversible clip. Sitting on top of the scale, ooh. Lanyard hole, ooh. It is a smaller one, but the way I close a clutch lock, I always worry about it digging in my palm. This one passes the mustard on that. 3 fingers sitting solid, fat pinkies hanging on for dear life there. Jimping rides all the way out. And if you get crazy with it and you're fully extended out here, you got a little action to hold you in play there if you're getting crazy with that cutting. And you should be able to get pretty crazy. That lockup is solid with that clutch lock. Little Warncliffe action. Thumb stud gets it every time. She will reverse flick. Dead on center, riding in between those steel liners. Nice open design. Nice little user, little beater. Got good ergo. And as always, Kizers usually come pretty damn sharp. Got the Kizer out here. Simple out back with the clean look. One screw out back. Billboarding. Got a little maker's mark name there. Kizer on the front. That coating does seem to want to catch every bit of damn sheen you can get on it. But for 60 bucks, you cannot really complain too bad. And you've also got the aluminum version, which is 66 bucks, and that's aluminum handled with a 154 cm blade. So Micarta aluminum, they got you covered both ways for the exist. What do you think? Drop a comment. Hit that thumbs up button. But definitely a solid budget banger, y'all. Stay sharp. Stay safe.